Want to turn your creativity into profit? In this video, I'll show you how to make stickers on Canva to sell online. It's super easy, fun, and perfect for beginners. Let's get started. First, head over to watchallcanva.com, the online design platform. If you haven't already, create a free account or log in. Once you're in, click the Create a Design button at the top right. This is your gateway to endless design options, from business cards to t-shirts and of course stickers. Now, in the search bar, type *sticker, and you'll see a variety of templates and shapes. For this tutorial, let's choose circular stickers since they're super popular and easy to customize. Canva automatically sets the right dimensions for you, so you can focus entirely on the creative side instead of worrying about sizing or formatting. Once your blank sticker template opens, the real fun begins. On the left side, explore Canva's massive library of graphics, icons, and illustrations. Think about your niche. Maybe you want to design cute motivational stickers, aesthetic icons, or business logo stickers. When you find something that fits your style, simply drag and drop it onto your template. Canva's editor is super intuitive. It's like sliding a magnet on a fridge. Now let's make it your own. Customize the colors to match your brand palette, play around with fonts, and add text if you want something catchy or inspiring. Don't be afraid to experiment. Every tweak adds originality and personality to your design. Use the alignment tools at the top to make sure everything is perfectly centered and balanced. This small detail makes your stickers look professional and ready for sale. When you're happy with your design, it's time to download. Click on the download button in the top right corner and choose PNG for the best image quality. You can even select the transparent background option if you plan to print your stickers later. And that's it. Your digital sticker is ready. You can upload it to Etsy, Redbubble, or any other online marketplace. Just make sure to do a quick quality check before selling to ensure your stickers look as sharp and vibrant as possible. With practice, you'll get faster and more creative. Keep experimenting with different shapes, themes, and styles to grow your sticker collection and attract more buyers. Thanks for watching, and if you found this helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and start designing your own stickers on Canva today.